Some people like chocolate, some people like popcorn, some people like potato chips, but most people really like heavenly album covers. Back in the ancient times, before there was an internet and Instagram and Twitter and YouTube and Facebook, back before all of those things, back in the ancient times, people enjoyed listening to old train noises and sound effects, such as train noises and sound effects from albums such as Journey to Yesterday, Volume 1. Within this recorded album, there are many train sounds and noises that someone recorded many years ago, which entertain and enjoyed people very much. This is in stereo, of course, and it's on Arkay Records label. Let's look at this train more closely, huh? There's the engine of the train puffing smoke out into the wilderness. It's a long train going over a bridge. Quite wonderful, isn't it? On the backside, there's a list of the train sound effects that are on this album. We have the Trolley Park, the Black Hills Central number 7, the Mid-Continent Railway, and the Union Pacific 8444, as well as the California Western and the Union Pacific 8444 once again. And so this is Journey to Yesterday, that can be taken if you just put this album on your turntable and play it and listen to it.